है करते प्यार हम जिससे, हमें जिससे मोहब्बत है। अगर पूछे जहां हमसे, हमें किससे मोहब्बत है। सभी के खून में शामिल है यूं कतरा कतरा पाकिस्तान। सभी से पूछ लो चाहे है सबका शजरा पाकिस्तान। ये सारे दिल के तगड़े तभी है तगड़ा पाकिस्तान।
Today I have attended the session of the General Adnan Sultan, which was very informative and very impressive.
Initially, I was pretty confused about the events of the war, but after having a detailed discussion at my school with the officials, I was pretty much relieved.
I heard a speech from Major General Adnan Sultan. This speech was very informative and changed my view over the army. It showed me how army operates differently under different circumstances, and it made me realize how hard army works for us.
Before, I had many misconceptions in my mind regarding Pakistan and India conflict. But after the speech of Major General Adnan Sultan, I had my questions answered that were previously arised in my mind.